It's recording.
Start!
Hello.
Sweet.
Okay.
Hello everyone. My name is Curls and I'm back with Wee Wee.
Hello.
As nobody likes. Yeah.
Okay.
And I'm building my first PC.
With
And we will show you the parts. Oh, I just stepped on the fucking carpet again. I need a...
Where are your screwdrivers and shit, bro?
Oh shit! Okay. I'll be back, people.
Control
It's in my room. Hold on.
It's in your room. So what we have here is the Asus motherboard P67 Pro. This is all his part, so I don't know what the hell he's doing. A basic LG drive. I think it's a DVD burner, right? I'm pretty sure it's a DVD burner. Oh, you lucky bitch! She got DUS, I forget what the name is. Everyone on my Steam friends list is playing it, so. And he got that for free, and Dirt 3, so that's good. He got a 1 terabyte hard drive, Western Digital, you know. 560 power supply, Seagate, or Seasonic, sorry. 80 plus gold. i7 LGA 1155, and SAPPHIRE Radeon 6870. There we go. Okay,
Yes.
that's a lot of parts.
SAPPHIRE 6870.
That's gonna get my dick.
Ground. There we go. Okay. Let's cut shit open. Hey guys, what's up? Well, I feel bad because the rest of my video was not recorded because I didn't know, but my camera was on low battery, so it turned off and it didn't record the rest of the thing. So I just had that one bit that you saw. But 5 hours later, we now have my PC. This is it. There's everything in here right there. Oh, I should get a light or something, but there's no light. But right here is the video card right there. It's a SAPPHIRE Radeon 6870 HD. It's a fan going. There's my Intel i7 right there. You can sort of see the Intel sign. There's my power supply, Seasonic 560 watts. Some cool LEDs. And in here, right here, you can't really see it, but here's my RAM. It's really dark, and it's really spooky. And that's about it, just a bunch of wires. And I did it with me, my dad, and one of my friends, and now I just have to get my Windows 7, and I'll be good. I have to insert boot media. Alright guys, well keep doing what you do. See ya.